Social Studies, the Coastal Plains and Islands. Children, do you know what is meant by a coastal plain? It is a low-lying land near to the sea coast. Look at the picture of a coastal plain. Now, do you know what an island is? It is an area of land surrounded by water. Look at the picture. Both the coastal plains and islands are flat areas. You all know Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the narrow coastal plains towards east and west. These plains stretch along the coast for about 6,000 kilometers. These are called Western Coastal Plains and Eastern Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plain begins from Gujarat and Eastern Coastal Plains from West Bengal. They both meet at Kanyakumari. Western Coastal Plain. The Western Coastal Plain lies between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. The average width of the plain is about 65 kilometers. The Western Coastal Plains is divided into three parts. The Gujarat coast towards the north, the Konkan coast in the middle, and the Malabar coast towards the south. Next, lagoons or backwaters are locally called kayals are found along the Malabar coast. These are specially found in Kerala. They have some of the best beaches in the country. Do you know Kochi, Kumaragam, Alapi are well known for its kayal resources? Eastern Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. The Eastern Coastal Plain is divided into two parts. The northern part called Northern Circus and the southern part called the Coromandel Coast. Rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form the large deltas along the Eastern Coastal Plain. Next you study about islands. There are many small islands along the two coastal plains. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Here you can see the location of two islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Now you study Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They lie in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by 10-degree channel. Port Blair is the capital. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber are the main crops. The cellular jail in Port Blair is a national memorial. You can see cellular jail in the picture Kalapani. During British rule, many Indian freedom fighters were imprisoned here. Lakshadweep Islands. It lies in the Arabian Sea. They are spread over 110 square kilometers. Kavaratti is the capital city. The islands of Lakshadweep are flat. They have been formed from coral deposits. Fishing is the main occupation and coconut is the main crop of the region. That's all about the two islands. Children, read the chapter and study well.